Follow the steps on how to create a wavy text effect like this in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start by creating a rectangle for the background. Fill color. Lock layer 1, then turn it off temporarily and add a new layer. Insert the text. Right-click and create outlines. Open Pathfinder and click Unite. Go to Effect and 3D Classic and rotate. Select Isometric Top. Then expand Appearance. Ungroup. Double-click and delete this invisible line. Select and press Ctrl+C to copy. Lock this object. Press Ctrl+F to paste in front. Change color. Ungroup. Select. Click the curvature tool, then add curve points. Select and press A for direct selection, then move the point. Now unlock all objects. Then groups. Double-click if you want to change the color. Turn layer 1 back on. Now create a grid. You can follow these settings. Place it in the center. Add 3D isometric effect. Then expand appearance. Right-click, arrange and send to back. Lower the opacity. Finally, activate Trim View. Finished. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.